Wala na.
Ano ba? Ayan na, nagre-record na siya.
Ayan na daw, nagre-record na siya. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Sir Chris!
Happy birthday!
Where's the pizza?
Blow your candle!
Blow your candle!
Lapit mo.
Kapit pa.
Bayo mo.
Ayan, tapos iyan mo na lang yung greetings nila.
Gaya, wag mo yan. Bakit mo ito na
Ayun.
Uy, meron yung cake ba doon?
Ay, masisira na. Kainin na yan.
Tayo yan, ha? Tayo yan, ha?
Pwede yan. Ba't nagkaganyan yan?
Ay, yun lang.
Kainin na.
Pasok sa gitna pa rin.
Pasok ka din.
Your finance manager, oh.
Happy birthday. A bunny with a bunny.
Happy birthday, Happy Easter.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Nico!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Marlon, bati ka kay Sir Chris, dali.
Birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, sir!
Ayun na, Stephen.
Hello.
Naglalakad,
Tenen. So, this is our lobby. This is our lobby. There's Marvin, no? Kawai, Marvin. Kawai. Happy birthday, Sir Chris.
Happy birthday, sir Chris!
And we're going out of the lobby. So, this is our lobby. Hi. This is our lobby. It's okay po. It's okay.
Nag-ano sila nagsisisi. Hold on. Let's get out of the way, guys.
Stephen, bati ka kayo. It's okay, ma'am. No problem po. Kay Sir Chris. Happy birthday! At nakaano nga, dali. Happy birthday, Sir Chris. Si James. Kuya, bati ka kay Sir Chris. Happy birthday! Dali. Happy birthday! Ayun. Hi, bye. So, that's Cava Restaurant across. At the upper ground level is Old 15, and that's Sir Mike. O, dali.
Ay, Sir Chris, happy birthday.
Okay na.
Malapit na pala kay Happy Easter pala.